Hey everybody, Dave here, and it's Casual Friday, and wanted to let you know of a couple of things. Since we didn't meet on Monday, we had no school, and then on Wednesday it was a snow day, so we didn't get a chance to meet this week. And as you know, we always start off class looking at the syllabus and just making sure we're in line with what the syllabus says, how we're being guided through the course. Two assignments are coming up. One that was due actually on Wednesday that I moved to Friday, and now I'm going to actually move it again to Monday of next week, is the Truth or Quackery assignment. And the reason why is because that assignment is missing an important link. It's missing an article that we need to be able to review. So we're all looking at the same article and giving it kind of a graded assessment or a graded review of what we think is a valid, reliable source of information. So bear with me until I get that link up. As soon as that assignment is updated, I'll send you guys another a follow-up email. And that assignment, again, is going to be moved to be due on Monday. It shouldn't take you too long, maybe 20 minutes. This assignment that I'm holding in my hand is the nutrition assignment. This is the paper version of the assignment. It's called What Am I Eating? And what you're going to do is you're going to track nutrition behaviors for 3 days. And they can be any 3 days in the week, because we're kind of up against the clock on this. If you haven't had a chance to start this assignment, originally you needed 2 weekdays. So like a Monday through Friday, you needed 2 of those days, and then 1 weekend day. But because we only have really 4 days, 5 days until the assignment is due, which is still plenty of time, but I know you have other things, a life outside of HPE, I'm just going to say any 3 days. And what you're going to do is you're going to take all those foods that you take, and I don't need to know quantity, we just need to know what your foods and food sources are. And then you're going to divide them up into 2 lists based on a website that is provided in this assignment handout. So I'm going to make you read through that information because it's there. And you're going to create a nutrient dense list and a non-nutrient dense list using a web resource of the world's healthiest foods. From there, you're also going to watch a 3-minute video on organic eating. And we are going to do a mindful eating exercise in class on Monday. So if you want to wait and experience what mindful eating is like, then hang tight and we'll do some mindful eating on Monday. So between those 3 activities and just some of the content on the web, on World's Healthiest Foods, whfoods.com, you are going to then go to you're going to then go to the part 1 of the assignment. This is where the assignment actually begins as far as your reflective writing. There are 5 questions, and what we're looking for here is, based on your nutrient density lists or your non-nutrient dense lists, are you feeding your cells the appropriate foods? And then you're going to expand on that. And if this assignment says anything about a textbook, use the web resource of WH Foods or Whole Stock or something that is within this assignment article or handout, so that is going to be your resource then. Also, there's a couple of other questions. One, we are what we eat versus what we absorb. Which quote do you like? Do you eat your foods mindfully? We're going to do that exercise on Monday. So this is an assignment you can do Monday or Tuesday night in preparation for Wednesday. There's also a question about Dirty Dozen, Clean 15, organic eating. And what I'm looking for is between 2 and 3 pages of work. You can give me more, but really 2 or 3 pages is really all I need. And that does include your nutrient dense and non-nutrient dense lists, just so you know. So that does need to be there. And also, the Smarter Measure, not Smarter Measure, the SMART goal is part 2. So part 2 is going to be your SMART goal for behavior change. So what goals do you want to set, or what one goal do you want to set for nutrition? And then what are your action steps going to be to support that? You may see it here, but I actually have a link that takes you to the health.concordia website that discusses the SMART goal, but I'm going to actually remove that link because it's very intermittent. It works sometimes, it doesn't work other times. So in any case, if you guys have any questions about that, feel free to shoot me a message. And if you have any questions about really anything in our class, feel free to send me a message and I'll get to them as quickly as I can. Okay, you guys have a great weekend. Bye bye.